Today we are going to see how our ticketing system will work and see the code base, how our code look likes and what are the technology stack we use. So first this is the project uh, how it look like. So first I will show you the repo. So it's a private repository. So I can't share the code base, so how it look like because yeah, it's a contract based project. So this is the project. So this is the code. Okay, so let's see our local project. So so first I will show you the what is the project look like. So this is my project code base and using this virtual environment in Python. So when I talking about the technology stack, I'm using Django with Python, and I currently using the in a local machine. I use normal host. I didn't use any hosting to host the images and database. So currently, I'm using SQLite database, but this project can be done with the Postgres because in the deployment in the I think in the production environment we use SQLite, and after the deployment we use Postgres, so it can be reached because we use object relational mapping technique ORM, and in the local machine we use normal way to store the user uploaded images, but when we deploy the project we can use like cloudinary and like that platforms. So in Django we use we uh, break our entities into apps and we create like that. So here's our main app. So Flock is the main app. So this is our main configuration file, and this is our settings.py file, and then like that. So this is our users file that stores the user information, and here's the user database, and we handle the routings like registration and the admin panel. So in templates we store the main configuration template because in here we use like we do like in React like components and create, and we create a main component, so main screen, and we extend it and we use as components like we can create a file with navbar, and when we want to add the navbar, so we add the navbar. Okay, so okay, we'll continue. And in here, in static file, so I add the main CSS, JS, and the UI kit because I use UI kit to develop the front end because I'm not doing from scratch. I'm only doing backend from the scratch and get a UI kit and create a UI from the scratch by getting the elements from the kit, and in a static file. That's it. Then we have a scan app that scans the QR code from generated from our system and verify it the user. If user exit, that the user QR will saved as the user is presented to the event, and if it doesn't, it's in the pending state. And in here we have a events app that holds events, and this project is still developing, still in the development process. So let's see about the project. So in here IO. already logged in, so I will log out. So in here, this is our project. So first, we can see the homepage about and log. So in here, we can log into our project, and we can, if we have an account, we can uh, log in. So I will show that. So this is our project. So I will click the login. So I logged in successfully. So when we are login, so the system will send a login message like that, and also when the registration do. So I will show the registration also. So in here we can go to the create new and filling this uh, name, email address, username, and password. So we can log in, and as a normal user, you can go to an event and buy a ticket. And also, any user can add events, host events. So by typing admin dash panel, so I'm sorry, NEL like that. So this is the dashboard, and anyone can add the project, add the event by click add event and generate tickets and passes and bulk download. So what are the bundle download? So I will say. So it can download the bulk QRs like so I will show as example. So we can add event with the title. So I will test dash one and I will get the lorem text. And we can choose the image for the event. I will choose the image, and we can select the date that event will be here. I will select the date and the location. I will say Colombo, and I will click add. Okay. So the event added, and so in tickets, so we can generate tickets to the event. So we can click add button and select the event and the name. So there is a ticket level. So in our platforms there is a ticket levels like a normal VIP and like that. General, and we can add the price. I will add 1,000 like that. So I will on the 100. No, if I add 100, so it will take some time. So I will add only 10 quantity because it will generate random QR code. So I click add, and it's already created. So I will add another ticket level for that event. So called VIP. Price is 2,010 is the count. So in passes, so we can create a team member passes and member passes. So for the event grows, so then they don't have to buy a normal ticket. So they don't want to show the normal ticket. So that can add it also event uh, crew organizer. So it's a optional part and additional part. So in bar download, so we can select the ticket level and like that. So I general and the quantity, so we can switch a file and we can download QR. So in here you can see QR codes for the event, and in here these are the QR codes. So if we scan this, there's a bunch of information about the event and user. So this is the back admin part. So I will go to the front that the user can see. So this is the how the user can see the event. So image, the name, description, location, and the date. So user can click book now and go to the event information. So there is a countdown that how much days left for the event, and also the information. So then here you can see the ticket prices and like general and VIP. So when we click buy now, we go to the category. So category page that we can select the category. So I will select normal and go to checkout and add the payment information and also the email address and phone number. And in here we can see the summary and click the accept and proceed to pay. There is no payment gateway here. Uh, this is the sample gateway that I created to show you guys. So I here add the sample payment gateway. So I check what is the sample codes that I enter. Oh, it's all zero. So name is okay and I will add like this. So this is only to guys how it works. And we can click pay and it will take some times to send the QR and uh, get the QR and assign to the user. So order play successfully placed and this QR code will be assigned to the user and we can download the QR. If we look at the mail, so we can see the QR and we can download also there on the email box and we can go back to the our event page. So in the here, so in online ticketing in Sri Lanka, there is no the I think there is no ticketing system that can scan the QRs and do the thing. So in bulk option, show you guys that can download bulk QRs that bulk QRs can assign into physical ticket and sell it. So in here also we had a scan option that can scan the QR and show you update the database. So in here I will get a ticket. I'll get a sample. So this is the this admin panel only have when we use debug is on. So I will get a sample ticket. So I will get this EA ticket. No, so what is the ticket that the user get? It is 1092. So let's find out that ticket. So this is the ticket that sent to the user, and you can see it's already assigned that maintenance state like available assigned or use. So we can scan the QR. So I show scan the QR from my mobile phone. Okay, it's downloaded. Wait, so this is the my QR. So I will show it to the screen and let's see. So you can see the QR code scans successfully and again go to the scanning page. So when we refresh our database, you can see it's already used. So this is the system that we created. So I hope you guys get the idea. I cannot share the code base because it's a project that I created with a contract. So I can I can't share the code due to the privacy policy of the. So I hope you guys get the idea and thank you for watching.